How to install Windows 11 on unsupported PC, without TPM 2.0. To install Windows 11 on unsupported PC, without TPM 2.0, try one of these methods below. 1. Manually install Windows 11 build. Download the Windows 11 Insider Preview build from https://drive.google.com/file/d/1sgaipqjve7ydhvsdkcxo up 3ksazakm ha/view USP sharing. Install, then run 7-zip to extract the file. Run the setup.exe as admin. Follow Windows 11 installation wizard to complete the setup process. One more thing, install and update the Microsoft Store at https://drive.google.com/file/d/1bzzsse9p84nfkigc7z5 is 3_w3vyxbrr/view ? USP = sharing. Method 2, edit Windows registry. Editor. 1. Join Windows Insider program. 2. Create a registry file yourself by typing the following in Notepad and saving it with a .reg extension. Code: Windows Registry Editor version 5.00 HKey_local_machine \software\Microsoft\Windows self-host /UI /selection UI content type equals mainline UI ring equals external UI branch equals dev HKey_local_machine /software\Microsoft\Windows self-host /applicability branch name equals dev content type equals mainline ring equals external node. If Windows 11 update fails, download appraisers.dll at https://drive.google.com/1QFCNT4PKDHW40WWQNSJ5LPSQ-view and copy it to folder $$Windows.tilde BT \BT sources. And try updating again. Method 3, download and run the offline insider enroll script at https://github.com/abodi1406/offline insider enroll/releases. As administrator. And if you met this PC can't run Windows 11 while tried installing Windows 11, see https://udo.be/5guqhctvtYW upgrade to /install/get Windows 11 without TPM 2.0. And to allow your Windows to get upgrades, set 1 to allow upgrades with unsupported TPM or CPU at hkey_local_machine \system \setup \mo setup in registry editor.